Alright guys, just out here walking around, thought I'd let you see all the tasty treats right out here in the road. Yummy. It's like kimchi almost. Something with eggs. Lii.She, she's my guide. Here's the thing, I understand zero Khmer. She doesn't know any English, so neither of us is helpful to the other one. Our main conversations are, she'll say something and I'll say I don't understand anything, and then she'll say it louder, which doesn't help. But we're just out walking around. No idea where. This is we got a lot of stores, like a bank, haircut. Very loud. Strange fruit and jam. I don't know what a strange fruit is. I'm assuming it's strange. That's something I want to go see, the circus. They have a really awesome circus here, I heard. It was really neat. I have to find out about that. You been to circus? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, no thank you. We're up here by the cell car place. I already stopped and got my car filled up for another week. That is some wires right there. It all makes sense somehow. I don't know. The lights stay on. I'm not sure how. Now, we have to cross the street. Yep. Scared off the birds. That, of course, is a Thai Hut market. They have everything in there. They have frozen beef, frozen chicken, big whole fish, and of course all the usual things you find in markets everywhere. Thinking about getting a bike. But I barely feel confident enough crossing the street, much less being on something with wheels that has no walls. I think I'll hold off on that. Besides, walking is good. Walking is good, right? I think she's just agreeing with me because she doesn't understand. Birdhouses. Homemade birdhouses. You can get feathers. Actual feather duster made out of real feathers. Those are real feathers. Yeah. Nice little shady area. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. I just thought I'd show you this little part of town. Talk to you later. Guys, I'm down here by the riverfront at a park. You see they have these pretty cool wooden sculptures of a crocodile. It's definitely a crocodile. This is some kind of jungle cat. I'm not real sure. You can look all the way down there. This is the river. They have benches on either side. Some of them in the sun, but most of them in the shade. You can come down here and sit if you're into looking at water, I guess. Right across is the Cambodian People Party headquarters. Not going to get into politics here, so I'm just going to ignore that. Yeah, nice little area. Just to sit and do whatever. Pretty nice day too. Breezy, about 78, maybe 80. It's all good in the hood. And moving a little bit further up in the park area, we have elephants. Pretty neat. Then they have a statue. This is a, I believe that's a Hindi god. Not sure which one. But it's one of them. There are way too many for me to remember them all. Yeah. Looks like they have them all up and down the park here. Pretty neat. Nice place to relax. Alright, just making the way back. Spend a few minutes sitting down in the shade. And I like nature, don't get me wrong. It's pretty cool. But after a few minutes, I'm like, okay, I saw it. There's trees, there's water. I just want to go back to my apartment. Maybe I'm not a nature lover, but I don't mind it. Favorite coffee spot? Noir Coffee. They are everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but at least 3 or 4 different places I've seen. If I sound funny, it's because one of my ears is plugged up. I think I got some water in there from my shower earlier. In my head, I sound weird and nasally. Some people might say I sound like that all the time, but you know, I think excessively so right now. The really awesome thing about Siem Reap that I really like is that you can go from nature to loads and loads of traffic and hustle and bustle just around the corner. Just park that anywhere. Sidewalk, totally acceptable. And if you don't recognize it, this is corner right here is Watbo Road. And that's where I will be turning to go home. Alright, that's it for today. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the town. Show you the nice park where you can sit and relax. And then get right back out here, trying not to die in traffic. What I love most about this town. So I'll end this vlog here. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.